How to fix Roblox error code 524 on mobile. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will talk about this short tutorial. Now this method can work for both iOS and Android devices, so all you have to do is to follow along. Now you simply want to head over to your system settings, and once inside, you can just head over to the app list category. If you're on your iPhone device, you want to head over to the general settings, click on iPhone storage, and from there you can then go ahead and see a list of applications installed to your device. Now since there are a lot of Android devices out there, you want to go ahead and simply search for app list, and you can then go ahead and find it right here. Now in my case, I can go ahead and navigate through my settings, and once inside, I'll go ahead and click on app management and click on app list. Now from here, you then want to go ahead and look for Roblox, and once inside, you can just go ahead and click on storage and cache. From here, you want to click on the clear cache and clear storage, and you want to go ahead and open up the application right after. If you're on your iPhone device, you can just go ahead and click on the remove or offload app, and from there a new button will appear called reinstall app. If this video has been helpful, please leave us a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.